Hello tech lovers, I welcome you to my channel. My name is Bunmi and what do we do here? This channel is for entrepreneurs, business owner. If you want to learn passive income, you want to make money, legit money, then this channel is for you. Okay? So why not subscribe, like and share this video. So in today's video, I will be giving us some tips what you need to do, how step by step of what you need to do. If I knew all this before I joined Amazon Associates, I wouldn't have made a lot of mistakes. I made some mistake along the line, but I don't want you to make that same mistake. Okay, so why not join me and watch this video to the end, like this video and share to your loved ones. Okay, and let's dive into the video. I'll just be giving us like 5 to 6 tips. Okay, so this video is not going to be a long one. Okay, so see you soon. Let's move to the main topic of today. So one of the first tips that is very important if you want to join or register for the Amazon affiliate is you must have a website, because a correct URL. So because if YouTube, they will check. If YouTube check it and it's broken, if a website is broken or it has, I'm going to put the picture here, like it's not showing, your website is faulty, I'll advise you not to try it to apply for Amazon affiliate. It's not going to get approved. You can use either your website, and you can use your I don't know if Instagram is approved, but I used my YouTube channel at the time I started, at the time I registered for my affiliate link, my affiliate program with Amazon. I did with Amazon, I did with my YouTube channel, which I'm going to be putting a video that will tell you how it went. After this video is going to be the next upload. Okay, so I did that and I got, and you need to choose a niche. Number two point is you need to choose a niche. You need to choose if you want to start fashion, if you want your niche is on fashion, if it's on lifestyle, if it's on selling books. If there are a lot of things you can sell on Amazon to make money, okay? A lot of things. So if you are that person that needs money or you're looking for a job, please, you can sign up for my program, my membership program, which the link will be in the description box. Sign up for it and let me give you a one-on-one coaching on how to start this affiliate membership program, and it's going to be loaded, so you don't want to miss it. Okay, so after choosing a niche, you'll be thinking, what is the next thing? You give value. Okay, it's like growing your channel. You give good value, people subscribe to you. So with Amazon Associates, you give value on the particular niche you choose. For example, my channel is on tech. I'm sure you can see some of my videos on Amazon products. I've done on YouTube, YouTube equipment. I've done camera. I've done Ringlight. Several videos that I've done with my Amazon reviews. And you can also, and if you want to join, if you want to have a YouTube channel, okay, is another means of income. All you need to do is create a channel and start reviewing products from Amazon site. You review their product, and when you review their product, you sign up for your Amazon Associates, and you will be surprised. People will be using your link. They will buy from your link. Okay, so those are the things I'm going to be giving us during this class. Okay, during this affiliate membership class. Okay, I'm going to be mentoring you step by step. Okay, so that you're not going to make the mistake I did. So I said you're going to give good content. Then number 4, if I'm right, you're going to tell people. You talk, you don't keep quiet. You come to your social media. You can go on your live Instagram and tell them you're an affiliate, you're an Amazon associate member, that they should promote you promote your link. I'm not you If you put too many links on your stuff, it's going to be spam and Amazon is not going to like it. On your website, you create a as I said, my first one is you have to create a website. I'm going to put you through on how to create a website, okay? And you don't have to put a lot of link on your website. You don't have, it's called spamming. There's a way to go about it, okay? There's a way to go about it. And if you have friends, talk to your friends, talk to your family members, tell them you're an Amazon affiliate, you're an Amazon membership program person, and that you will need them, you need their support. That's what I did. You will need their support to let me know your products, so that I want to get approved on Amazon. So I will need your support. If you don't mind using my link from Amazon, is going to give you a backup, right? It's going to give you have your back end where you can see your dashboard and all that, and it's going to you can choose any products there, okay? And you tell them you want to share your link with them, and they use your link. You follow up. You know, some people collect your link and you just follow up. You just say, oh, hello, my friend, or hello, sis. How far? Did you use that link? And you say, oh, I forgot. Please let me know when you use the link as follow-up, okay? And you check your back end and you see that, oh, 1 person has bought, 2 person has bought, and that's how you start making your money, okay? So it is important to give value. Don't spam your link, okay? And another important thing, which is the 5th one, is do not give up, because you might be denied the first time, you might be denied the second time, and you might be denied the 3rd time. As I said, before you can be approved, make sure before you start this Amazon to apply, before you apply for Amazon Associate Program, make sure number 1, you have your website ready. Okay, make sure you have your website ready. Number 2, make sure, or if you want to use your YouTube channel, make sure your subscriber count and your watch hours, they are complete. Those are the criteria. You must be on YouTube partnership program. Those are the criteria, and you must have people engaging with your videos. Okay, those are the important things you need to know about this Amazon Associate Program. I hope you get something from this. I don't want it to be too long. So why not subscribe for my affiliate membership class, and let's have a one-on-one conversation, a one-on-one coaching, and I see you there. For now, see you in my next video. Bye.